The shimmer of snow softly glistens upon the ground, gentle and cold, waiting without even making a sound, bursting with hope, glowing from deep within. Beams the sun, flooding the world. Spring is bound to begin. Shining her warmth, the sun melts the snow, bringing new life to those down below. Watch as the colors spread far across all the valleys and hills. See how they brilliantly shine under her love, and light the way for those who dream of the spring as the flowers bloom. Welcome the warmth and forget the gloom. It's soft as a bunny and sweet as bees' honey. The skies are all sunny. Here comes the spring. Butterflies fly, floating gently from flower to flower, never caring where they might end up. New as a pot, follow the breeze. Gentle winds blow, bringing rain to the grasses that grow. Clouds may darken, but I sure don't mind. Not when I find beauty in everything spring. I dream of the spring, dream of the happiness that sun and daylight bring. I dream of the spring, dream of the bluebirds and the robins take